Okay, let's do a quick sanity check on these formulas. The EBITDA growth formula says that we create equity value when EBITDA goes up because the delta E number will be positive. We've seen this before, but how does an EBITDA increase happen? Well, one way is to increase revenue. If you could do that without increasing your expenses by the same amount, you will increase EBITDA and create equity value through revenue growth. Another way is to increase the EBITDA margin. That's equal to EBITDA over revenue, so increasing it means that you create additional EBITDA for every dollar of revenue, which creates equity value through EBITDA margin expansion. Another way is to improve the company's gross margins. This grows EBITDA because higher numbers mean that COGS absorbs a smaller share of revenue, and equity value is created through gross margin expansion. And the final way is to reduce the company's operating expense margin. This grows EBITDA because lower numbers means that SG&A absorbs a smaller share of revenue, and equity value is created through operating margin reduction.